Hey my friends, that's me, Cook with Paul, and today we're cooking dessert, apple pie, or some may call it apple strudel, apple roll, or apple turnover, or any name you want it, but I will call it simple way apple pie. Let's take a look for the ingredients we're going to use. Puff pastry, make sure it's non-yeast. That's important, okay? Non-yeast. Next, apples. I already peeled the skin before. Now, 1 egg, cinnamon, then flour, sugar, and grind. This thing, we're going to grate the apples. A rolling pin and a rolling sheet. That's it. You don't need anything else. That's all we're going to use. We're going to start with the puff pastry. So, okay, we have to put we're going to put flour on the baking tray. By the way, it's a 500 grams puff pastry. Okay, I have to open it. By the way, this is quick, simple recipe to make an apple pie, and you can use it when you invite your friends or your loved ones or your family, and they will love it, they will enjoy it. Believe me, trust me. This is what we need to achieve the size of the baking tray. Now we achieved our result. Now it's the size of the baking tray, as you see. Next step, we will grate the apples to the small little pieces. Now watch. Make sure you will choose a little bigger size, because small size will give a lot of juice and water, and it's not going to be good. We need some pieces, so use the biggest one. We finished grating the apples. Next step, we have to put a few layers and then wrap it around, so it's become like this big cake in the end. The first layer, it will be sugar. You will judge by your eyes. This all depends how sweet you want your cake to be. Yeah, I think that's enough. Next part, cinnamon. That's the second layer. Also depends how much you like it. It's on your eye. See. And the third layer, guess what? It's apple. Right there, apple. Beautiful. Patience. Actually, it takes maybe 10-15 minutes to make this, prepare this cake and send to the oven. By the way, you can use any apples you like to. Any apples, green, red, yellow, up to you. Depends again on your taste. We used red Cortland apples. Next layer, we're back to cinnamon. And the last layer, sugar, also a little bit, not much. Next step, we have to roll it. Make it as a pie. The endings, like a wrap it in, like a close it. I'm trying very hard. You're probably going to ask what we need egg for. We need egg to take the yolk out of it, and the rest we will throw it away. We separated yolk. We take that yolk, look, and we just will wrap it around our cake just to give this brownish color, crispy in the end after it's all cooked. That's basically it. We have to send our cake into the oven about 30 minutes to 370 degree. Prepare the cake. It's over. The wait was not that long as we did meat, steak or beef. Okay, let's try. As you see, it's crispy brown, and let's see. Yes, it's prepared just perfect. I have a tea. Yes, that's it. Guys, try that at home. It's quick, and all your guests or relatives, parents, whoever for your loved ones will be very, very happy. See you in my next video. Like, subscribe, and like. Bye.